Day 1 of a creative Minecraft world, and it's blood. Okay, let's start this. What do I want to do? Wait, let's go to settings. Oof. Yeah, settings. Okay. Video. I want classic. Yeah. Oo naman. Okay. Here. And let's make a house. I want a simple house. Like wood, bricks, wash bricks. I don't want this wood. I want spruce. And this stone bricks. Okay. What else? Ladders. Okay, let's start this. Wait. Wood. Allow me some wood. A oak. Hard one. What is spruce? Now, want this. Okay, let's go. Woodless. I'm lagging. Oh, okay. I forgot I can fly. Looking good, looking good, looking good. There's 1, 2. Another one. 1, 2, 3. And oh, yeah. Here. 1. Wait. Just wait. I will get something. Okay. I just closed the door. Wait! Okay. No, I misclick. Okay. I will... Wait. Settings. First, what is my sensitivity? Video. Brightness, sensitivity, touch. Like 25. It's okay. Okay. Whoa. Wait. Maybe it's 0. Oh. Okay. No, it's too low. Too low. Touch. Like 40. It's okay. Now it's okay. This when it stairs. Stairs. Oof! What's happening? What's happening? Huh? What's happening? happening earlier. Maybe I'm just lagging. One up. No. One up. Yeah. Maybe slabs. Can do this. Slab. Slab. This. Okay. We'll get into it. No, here. Stop it. No. Nah, so long. Yeah, that's okay. Okay. That okay. Yeah. I allowed the door straighter. And the glass. For the windows. Oh, I'm lagging. Wait. See you. I'll just come back later. Okay?